Let's try and clarify a little bit. What is a night guard? A night guard is a dental appliance usually designed to prevent damage from clenching or grinding, or what we call bruxing the teeth. It's worn at night because this is when this unconscious clenching or grinding tends to happen beyond your control. It can help protect the teeth, or perhaps new dental work, from excessive wear or breakage. It may look something like this. This is a lower night guard fitted to a model, so you can just see what a clear night guard might look like. And here's a picture of a clear, hard acrylic upper night guard, although most of the time we prefer making night guards for the lower teeth for various reasons, but this gives you a sense of, again, what something looks like. And just a picture of a patient sliding their night guard into place and fitting it over the teeth. Now, a night guard is not the same as a sports mouth guard. These are designed differently and for different purposes. And this is just to give you a sense of the difference in how a sports mouth guard might look compared to a dental night guard. They're a lot bulkier. They're basically made to protect the teeth from trauma during sports or heavy activities like that. A custom night guard is also quite different from an over-the-counter mouth guard that you can buy or find online. Here's an example of a couple of types of over-the-counter mouth guards. They're quite bulky, usually not very comfortable, usually don't really bring a satisfying result. And here, just another type of over-the-counter sort of do-it-yourself night guards. It's possible sometimes that an over-the-counter mouth guard or night guard might work. Even though it's quite a bit bulkier, some people might find them comfortable enough to be protective. They're certainly a lot less expensive, but for most, their lack of precision and bulky fit can often do more harm than good in creating more stress in the mouth rather than alleviating stress as it's designed to. And you should be aware that most simple night guards do not really address the underlying question of why is the grinding or clenching happening, nor is it necessarily going to stop the habit. It's only protective in nature. Sometimes we get lucky, and the simple design night guard does actually stop the clenching or stop the jaw pain or other symptoms. But most of the time, if other symptoms exist, we need to explore those to see what is the underlying cause. If treating those causes does involve wearing some type of dental appliance, it's likely it would be a very different and more sophisticated design. So if a night guard is being considered, we need to ask about other symptoms, such as, is there pain in the jaw joint area, or TMJ? Is there headache pain? Is there limited jaw opening? Are there episodes of the jaw locking open or locking closed? Is there clicking or popping of the temporomandibular joint, or any other head, neck, and shoulder symptoms? These are some of the many, many symptoms or problems that can be triggered by disorder in the temporomandibular joint, TMJ stress, TMJ disorder. And we don't want to ignore any of these kinds of symptoms in deciding to make a simple night guard appliance. Sometimes a simple night guard might alleviate some of those symptoms temporarily, but usually it's not enough to resolve them. So at this point, we enter into the realm of treating TMJ problems. And here's just kind of an aside. TMJ is the acronym for temporomandibular joint. TMJ is not a problem. It's just the name of a body part. It's not really correct to say, I have TMJ. It's like saying, I have knee. Unfortunately, the term is still used like that, but it's more correct to say, I have TMJ disorder, or I have TMD. This is a small point, but I just wanted to make it. So a night guard is a simple but custom-made and fitted appliance. Its uses are somewhat limited, and it doesn't usually effectively treat underlying TMJ disorders. But it can be effective at protecting the teeth and sometimes the jaw from the effects of clenching or grinding at night. When it works well, it's comfortable to wear and often allows for better sleep as a side benefit. Here at Integrative Dentistry, we've been able to find sources for BPA-free materials for most night guard appliances. We're also aware of how to design a night guard appliance that does not adversely affect your craniosacral balance or freedom of movement. If you have a current night guard that doesn't seem to be giving you the right results, please consult with us to see if it's the right design for you or if even the right approach.